Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to start your freelancing journey and if you want to earn money from data entry work online, so this video for you. In this tutorial I will show you how you can make money from Fiverr using your data entry skills. So if you have a zero experience, don't worry, you can do this work. You just need a laptop or computer and a internet connection. So if you have some basic knowledge like copy paste and data entry, Google spreadsheet, how to manage, and also how to input data from Microsoft Excel or PowerPoint or Google spreadsheet, that's it. So if you are a student, if you are a job holder or housewife, so if you want to start your side hustle, so this video for you. Because you know, in 2024 you will see lots of people, they are working from home and they are building their dream job, and easiest way you can start with very basic work like a data entry work. So no more delay, I will jump into the main topic. So if you are new in this channel and if you love this content, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I make videos how you can make money online, how you can start freelancing journey, how you can start your YouTube or online business. So if you are dreaming make money online, so you can start with no money. Okay, so let's jump into the topic. All right, so let's say you have a basic knowledge that I already discussed. So first of all, you have to create a Fiverr account. So what is Fiverr account? You should know, just Google it. Fiverr, it's a freelancing marketplace, freelance services. Not only freelancer, if you are a buyer, if you want to hire freelancer, you can also hire a freelancer, different kind of skills, and it's completely free. So you don't need to spend any single dollar. So you can create your free account and you can sell your service. So what are the services? That's mean if you have a data entry, copy paste, web research skill, you can sell your service. Also, if you have a graphic design skill, if you have a video editing skill, web design skill, don't worry, there is a lots of categories where you can sell it. Here you can see graphic design, digital marketing, writing, translation, video animation, photography, data, lifestyle, business tech. Just visit the website and just look at this. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can create your Fiverr account first of all. So you will see lots of option over there, but don't worry, just click on become a seller. As a seller, you have to create a seller account. So you can also click on join, also click on sign in, but you have to click become a seller. Just click on become a seller and you will see some amazing data from Fiverr. A gig is bought every 4 seconds. This is really insane. Every 4 seconds a gig is bought. So what is gig? Gig is a service. That's mean you are a freelancer, and if you want to sell your service like data entry, so data entry is your gig. Okay, so don't worry, I will show you the step. And transaction is $50 million and price range is $5 to $10. That's mean you can charge from your buyer. You can earn $5. Also you can earn from a single order $10. This is really amazing. So let's see how it works. Just create a gig. That means sign up for free, set up your gig and offer your work to our global audience, and it's a worldwide. And step number 2, deliver great work. Get notified when you get an order and use our system to discuss details with customer. That's mean when you get a new order, you can contact, you can text, you can video call, paid, and get paid one time. Every time payment is available for withdrawal as soon as it clears. Okay, here you can see become a seller. Click on become a seller and you will see over 600 categories. That's mean you can sell your service under the 600 categories, and pay per project, not per hour. So you can charge per project. This is not per hour. Also you can get out your buyer from this company, but that's not a really honest deal. Okay, because this company always tell you to talk to with buyer in this, because they have some rules and regulations, and slowly and surely you can understand the process. So don't worry about this. Create a new account. You can continue with your Gmail. Also you can click your email address. Also you can Apple and Facebook. Don't worry, just click on continue with email. Here you can see, so give your email address and password. For email address, don't need to use your personal email address. You can create another Gmail address only for Fiverr, and then you can create with that Gmail address and password. Okay, then continue. It will create automatically a Fiverr account. And the next step is I am going to show my account where you can understand each and every part. So let's jump into my account. All right, so right now I'm in my account and here you can see you can type your full name. This is the settings. So this is the settings you have to set up after the account creation. That's already showed first step. Also you can check your online status. Alright, so let's jump check the security section. So you have to set up definitely. So if you want to change password, you can change from password over there. And the very important phone verification, just click on edit section where you have a chance to input your phone number. Just give a phone number and you can verify. And security question, that's another important thing. So just set up a security question. That's mean what's your hobby, what's your favorite teacher, what's your favorite friend, this kind of stuff like this. And don't forget to enable two-factor authentication. That can help your account secure more. Alright, so let's click on the notification. You can select all of them and just click on save changes and form W90. So that's mean if you are a US tax regulations, so please click on yes. And if you are not citizen of United States, just click on no and save. That's it. Alright, so let's click on my profile section. And also you can write your description. That's mean your profile description, set up your languages. Also you can give a skill test and add some skills that you want to offer that are very related to your job. All right, education and certification. That's how you can set up your Fiverr account. So let's jump into how you can find the Fiverr job and how you can make money. So let's see some gigs. All right, so here you can see the data section. It's a category and data collection. Here you can see the data entry. So click on data entry. So you will see lots of services over there. That's my lots of freelancer, 64,000 services available. So 64,000 sellers already, they are selling their services. And what are the types? That's mean data typing, copy paste and web research. That's the subcategory. Okay, so you can also create that only data. So you can create data entry gig, also data typing, copy paste, web research, whatever you like. So let's click on the first one. I will do perfect data entry, web research and copy paste. And also the second one, I will do data entry and copy paste job, and those are the top rated seller. So let's open. Here you can see. So let's check the first one. I will do perfect data entry, web research and copy paste job. So this is the gig and some description, pictures and packages. All right, and FAQ section and also the tag section. This is called related tags. Okay, so I will make another video how you can create a data entry gigs. So if you want this, please comment below so that I can make a video for you. So he already completed 1,556 orders. All right, and on hours of work $20. So let's calculate how much he made already. And also standard package is $60 and premium is $200. All right, so we will calculate just basic package. If you say the total, so if we calculate only for basic, so let's click on 1556 multiply 20. That's mean $31,120 and it's USD dollars they've already made. So that's not the 31,000. It could be much higher because they have multiple standard packages, premium packages. So some buyers will hire with 200 or 1,000, $10,000 maybe. And here you can see he already completed 4,060 orders completed. And the second gig is I will do data entry and copy paste job and already completed 1019 and multiply $20, 380. So that's amazing. So if you check other seller gigs, so you will see and you will be amazed that how much money they made and how much you can make money online. So it's very easy. You don't need to high skill. You don't need to spend hours and hours to learning this kind of skills. Just you can do that you already know. That's been data entry and copy paste job. So I hope you got that idea, and if you find this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and please comment below. I will show you how you can create data entry gig, so that can help you a lot. So no more today. I will come back with another amazing tutorials. So stay tuned. Have a good day. Tata. Bye bye.